Aloha! Welcome to day 4 of my winter stay in Oahu. I paddled out for my morning session in Waikiki at Canoes. My friends Sean and Rachel were already there, and we immediately started catching waves. It was about 1 to 2 feet, clean conditions, perfect weather. Morning crowds are usually light. Most people start showing up around 10 a.m. I took full advantage and caught a ton of good waves. And of course, my daily double rainbow. That never gets old. While sitting out in the lineup, I glanced over and I did a double take. Duke Brown, my old ocean lifeguard trainer from Myrtle Beach, was out surfing. I hadn't seen him in years. Such a crazy and awesome surprise. After the session, I put my board back, grabbed lunch, and rested up before heading back for my next session. I paddled back out for my sunset session at Canoes on Waikiki. Once again, I saw Sean and Rachel out and got a chance to surf with them some more. I looked over and my buddy Abraham, who I met last year, paddled up. Always great catching up with old surf friends. The sunset was stunning. I surfed until dark, catching a few more waves before heading in. That night, they closed off the main street in Waikiki for a street fair. I met up with Sean and Rachel again. There are tons of food trucks and local vendors. I love that they sell locally produced items. I really wanted to try this corn on the cob on a stick, but I wasn't too hungry. Local merchants were selling these handmade ukuleles and this little surfboard art pieces. Super cool craftsmanship. I saw these fried squid on a stick. It looked interesting. I wonder if it was good. I also came across these locally made longboards with these very unique looking square wheels. I did end up buying some papaya that was super sweet and split it with Rachel and Chong. Hanging out with Rachel and Chong was a blast. I'm so glad I said hi to them on the beach that first day. Another amazing day in Waikiki. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. More adventures to come soon. Aloha.